Hello, Mycue here. Today I'm going to give you a short demo on a tool that I have been playing with for the last couple of weeks. It is the tool I have been waiting my whole life for. A lot of my topics that I try to share with people can be a little bit heady, a little bit esoteric. I have a hard time grounding it in concepts that they can grasp. And my drawing skills are incredibly poor. So this has been something that's really been helping me get ideas out of my head and onto paper and communicate them in super effective ways. So let's jump in. You're going to want to go to napkin.ai. And this is a free tool right now. It's still in beta, so they're still developing it. Jump in while you can. You're going to click the sign in here. And what we're going to do is we're going to create visuals from simple AI prompts. So up here on the left-hand side, you see a little button that says New Napkin. If we're going to click that button, it's going to give us two options. We can either draft a new napkin with AI, or we can do a blank napkin. If we do a blank napkin, we're going to get to take whatever text we have and put it in there and then use it in the way that I'm going to show you next. But what we're going to do for our purpose for the demo today is click Draft with AI. And now we just have a little prompt window. And what's more fun than a little prompt window, right? I have a prompt kind of ready to go. I'm going to copy it, paste it in here, and I'm going to say a super hilarious guide on why AI and human intuition are frenemies on a mission to save humanity. So I thought that might be a fun demo to do. I have not done this prompt yet before. We're going to see it live together. I have no idea what the results are. Let's find out. Once you have your prompt ready to go, I'm going to click continue, and now it's going to create my napkin. So what this does, it takes that prompt, it creates all the little building blocks, it's created all of this text, which I think is just amazing. I would personally have my own text and drop it in here, or if I did use this, I'm at least going to scrub it and make it my own, but I wouldn't use the text as it is. This is just for the demo. Let's just take a quick overview of the whole book, though, just to see what it came up with. So, the awkward first encounter. Picture this. AI, all sleek and shiny, enters a room with a swagger that screams, "I can calculate your future." Meanwhile, human intuition in its cozy sweater sips coffee and mutters, "I just have a feeling about this." The tension is palpable. AI is armed with algorithms and data, while intuition relies on gut feelings and the occasional tarot card reading. Together, they're like oil and water, yet somehow they must learn to coexist. All right, so then we go into a battle of wits, the unlikely partnership, this quest to save humanity, and the future of their frenemy relationship. Well, that's pretty cool all in all. We're not going to read that whole thing yet. I think we've got the makings of something that's kind of funny and definitely fun. I'm probably going to go ahead and take some time to tweak some of these paragraphs and finish the process. If I do, I will put that document, attach it to the description below so that you can get your hands on a copy of it. But let's go back to where the real magic of this tool comes in. Now that we have all of this text in here, when I hover over this paragraph here, a little blue lightning bolt shows up. And so I'm going to click that lightning bolt, and it's going to read through that paragraph, and it's going to come up with some possible diagrams that go along with that paragraph. So the awkward first encounter, right? It's comparing the AI to the human intuition. That's not too bad. Let's see what else we got. You can see there's just a ton of different It would even generate some more, but for the case of our demo here, I'm just going to click this first one. Now, with this first option, you see if I hover over it, there's a little faint little label there that says styles. If I click that, I go into another layer of this where I can choose a different style of the same diagram if I want something a little bit different. So again, for the purpose of today, I'm just going to choose, let's just go with that one. Now, once I have this diagram locked in, I can go in and I can change any of this text. I can move it, I can change it, I would definitely get rid of gut feelings there. That is not a way I talk about intuition, but for the purpose of this demo, I'm going to leave it there. I can change the little pictures. If you click on the picture, you can see every time you click on something, a little menu pops up, and then you can kind of hover over the blue and it will give you different options to choose from. It is so fun. You can change the color of different stuff. See, now it's green, now it's blue, now it's magenta, but I'm going to leave it where it's at. Once you have it where you want it, you can go ahead and just sort of grab the whole thing, and it gives you another little menu here where you can download just that image if you want. So you can do it in light mode, dark mode, you can do it with the background on or off. You can increase or decrease the resolution on it. You can copy it to a clipboard, you can download it, you can save it in these 3 different file formats. So it's really great if you've already got a document, you just need a diagram, you come in here, you paste in your text, and you let it generate the diagram for you. Then you just download that diagram and paste it into your document. So I'm going to go ahead and close that. You are able to share it. Other people can view it. You can download a PDF. The only weird thing about it is when I try to do that, sometimes the paragraph and the diagram don't show up on the same page. So again, it's still in beta mode. They still have a few things to work out, but all in all, it is a pretty fun tool. So I know that was quick. I hope you enjoyed it. Definitely recommend you go check it out. Have some fun. Don't take it too super serious. Let me know in the comments what you felt about it. Definitely check the description down below. I will either finish this book and link it down below, or I will link a working draft to another ebook that I've been making using it, just so you can get to know me a little bit more about what I'm doing with intuition and AI in my community, Cathartic Clarity. Thanks, and I will see you next time.